Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove read-only from a Microsoft Word document. So if you're looking to go ahead and save a Word document, I'm going to show you guys how to do it in a way that you'll be able to edit it down the road. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you want to do is left click on the File tab up at the top left, select Save As, select the Browse option down here. Right next to the Save button, there should be a Tools button right here, so go left click inside that drop down arrow, then select General Options, uncheck the box where it says Read Only Recommended, and then select OK. Now you just go ahead and save this document in wherever library or directory you're looking to save it, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.